Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jyoti
and Shruti. What's up, Joe?
What's up? That girl. This song went viral. I don't know if you might have heard a hook. I've heard a hook on Insta, but I was like, I need to cover her, and then it just slipped and I forgot about it. But then I said I'll cover it with you because Punjabi hip hop.
Good on you, slipped. Yes,
Yeah, exactly.
Now we can cover this together.
I'm very excited because ye Mani Sandhu, I've not heard, like, I've not covered him on the channel, but I've been a huge fan. He's like one of the best producers. So he went and recorded this in Punjab in an Airbnb. He just went and sat with her and they recorded it in the Airbnb with no studio,
So
nothing.
cool.
एक mic और एक laptop के साथ ये गाना बना है and it has gone viral.
Dude, that's really cool.
Love it. I
Yeah.
love stories like that. Exactly. So additional lyrics, Saab song That Girl, and she really took the world, the music world by storm. And I believe even she was at Spotify's Rap 91 this year. So
Nice.
let's check her out. Yeah.
Yes.
That Girl. 1, 2, 3, play.
Just got my hair done, and don't worry about hiding your man, babe, because he couldn't pull me if he wanted to.
दूर तबकाया बोलनी सहारी दा जट्टी शहर लवांदी जान तेरे एक्सपेंस मेरे लिए आम जिथे जावा मैं पवां ढूंढ दे राजे कर वे मैं अट्टी ना पता से जावा पोर दी गल चारे पासे हुंदी मेरी तोर दी अख तकदी ना किसे नू ए कूर दी मेरी चुप्पी भी जापदी ढूंगे शोर
Damn, son.
Param is the boss. Oh my God. This song.
Yeah.
What flow. And you're saying like they just recorded it ऐसे ही. देखो अगर ऐसे गाने ऐसे ही बन सकते हैं ना तो सबके पास जिनके पास इतनी बड़ी-बड़ी budgets है ना सब everyone needs to take a harsh look at themselves in the mirror.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? Like look at the video.
Yeah.
Look at the video. It is so good.
So
And her voice and the quality and the sound of it. It is I'm extra impressed. I am like right now a little bit shocked also.
And see, even if you didn't know that they had recorded it in an Airbnb, even then, like
no chance of no. Yeah,
I was just taken aback by the power in her voice, and even at the end where they put everything off and she's just singing, it's so powerful. Even in that, that setting. And
बस इतने टैलेंटेड लोगों को ना और किसी चीज की जरूरत नहीं होती, लाइक उनको समटाइम्स माइक की जरूरत भी नहीं होती,
yeah,
यू नो उनके गले में एक नेचुरल माइक फिट होता है, व्हेन
yeah,
दे बिगिन सिंगिंग इट्स
power.
जस्ट लाइक यू नो everyone just gravitates to them and you just like उनके आसपास की हवा ना जैसे सडनली डेसिबल्स लो कर देती है, मुझे
Yes.
लिटरली ऐसा लगता है, लाइक यू नो एवरीथिंग जस्ट बिकम्स साइलेंट एंड
Yeah,
देयर वॉइस जस्ट स्टार्ट्स शाइनिंग. वाओ,
yeah,
Param is another level. I'm gonna watch out for all her stuff now, like you know,
yeah,
and this is the
same.
first, like this is like she's been discovered right now, like
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it's her
Also,
first this thing, right?
also, like I was amazed at her writing, and you know, I was smiling throughout the thing because I was like, "Ye lines normally hum, you know, male artists se sunte hain, but they're sounding so good when you know, like it's just and she's carrying them so well. She's carrying them with this
And it's a very
perfect
flex
ease.
track, no?
Yeah,
Yeah. It's
she's
like very beautifully flex. Like
it's not
it's very
over the top
feminine.
flex.
I
It's
love
just
it.
yes, exactly what I was thinking. I was like, this
Yeah.
is just the softness in the flex is there.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
How else
And
to
yet like
describe it?
it's so hard. Like, you know, it's full punch, full power.
Exactly.
But yet like there's grace in
There's
it.
this
So it's
femininity in
lovely.
it.
Yeah. I'm very, very, very happy. Param,
Same.
hats off to you, man. Gonna be watching out for your stuff.
Yeah.
देखेंगे बहुत सारा. हाँ.
Her entire
like-
demeanor, the way she's carrying herself, I just love the sections where she's smiling at the camera. I just feel like she has a beautiful smile. And it's so cute, it's so innocent.
And
And
also it's shot really well with all those गांव के जो elements होते हैं ना, जैसे वो little फिरकी वाला पंखा and like you know all of those
All the
things like
kids.
which they've used, all the kids.
Yeah.
It's just the way the cycle पे and even like simple things like you know वो जो पैर के steps, छोटा सा जो step आता है आप कर रहे हो और उसको so it's very aesthetically created. The video team, hats off to you guys. You guys have
Seriously.
done a fab job.
the
Or, you
color
know,
grading
creating
of this
something.
video is so good.
Yeah, create like making something of actual value
Yeah.
from the simplest stuff, which
Yeah.
really shows vision. You know, क्योंकि when they say beauty in the eye of the beholder, ये वो है कि अगर
Yeah.
आपकी skill अच्छी है और आपको दिख रही है वो beauty, you just put it all together. Who are the video people? Do we know? Like who shot the video and
True
like director
makers.
and stuff?
Dilsher Singh,
makers,
Dilsher Singh
acha.
and Khushpal Singh, DOP Shinda Singh.
अच्छा,
I
अच्छा.
feel, you know, that opening shot only with the flight in the background and her like
Mm.
thing, she comes out of the door, which has a chadar. It just, that frame itself, I was like, oh my God, they've set the mood and the, you know, the background, they've given the background. I just
Right.
loved it. And throughout they carried it with the kids, all the kids, the entire gully, the cycle, the playing, the hand pump, all of that. So good. And you know, when she walks into this like that area where all the guys are standing and the camera's behind her, she
Mhm.
walks towards them and then she takes the mic and she's like, it's like a cipher situation and she starts singing
Yeah.
over there. I was like,
Yeah.
man, she like I don't know why, but I just loved that shot because there's
And she held her own in that shot. You know,
Yeah.
sometimes a very psychological thing happens that you kind of आपकी natural personality थोड़ी सी दिख जाती है in
Yeah.
moments में while shooting, right? So if one is a bit shy or one is a bit whatever underconfident, वो थोड़ा सा no, she just like rode into it and she like looked confident and she looked like very gently, but I own my space. You know, that kind of a vibe, which is phenomenal.
she just had that I belong where I'm standing, I
Yeah.
belong here. That's
Yeah.
it, you know.
Yeah.
She had
Yeah.
that. And her camera presence, her writing, it's the lyrics. Her voice so powerful hai. I feel like it's God gifted.
Yeah.
She doesn't even need to
Yeah.
put force into it. She's just got that gift. But
Yeah.
the writing was so clean. And what I loved right as it started was how her enunciation was so good. Every word, every like syllable, every consonant, every letter, she pronounced
Yeah.
everything so well. At no point did you feel like, I don't know
Correct.
whether that kind of finesse we see very often in artists, in you know, especially.
Have we heard any other female Punjabi rap artists? Have you
I mean,
heard of any?
Jasmine tried something on her last track with Raga. I covered that.
Acha.
So it was pleasant to hear her try that, and she did a fairly good
Right.
job of it. But she's not a rapper
Hmm.
every day of the week, you know.
This was this was proper. Like this was good. This was very, very good.
so well written. I
like-
can't find the lyrics online, unfortunately, but it would
The
have been fun
future's
to
looking
cover.
so good. I love it. The future
Yeah.
of like Desi hip hop, even region wise segregated, is looking so good.
Yeah, I love it. Guys, if there's any more stuff from Param that you think should be covered, please comment below and
Throw
let me
it,
know.
throw it towards Jojo. Just throw it
Just-
in her, like just in the comment section. Just be like, ये नहीं पता आपको, आपने ये भी नहीं सुना अभी तक. Like just be like that.
Just do
Be
it.
aggressive.
And I have to give props to Mani Sadhu because one, though I love his production, I've always been a fan. And he's given some of the biggest hits of the Punjabi industry. And for him to have done this, the reel that I
Yeah.
saw, that he flew down, he got this Airbnb situation and brought her in and recorded her.
Wow.
Thank you.
Well done.
You
Well
have
done.
Done
That's
a
how
great
it's done, you know.
service. Yeah.
No, and that's how
exactly.
you look for talent, and you create, like, you know, new artists who
Yeah.
who are just sitting there to be discovered. And
Yeah.
you know, everything is said, but to take that effort to actually go
Yeah.
and to do this.
Yes.
Too
And
good.
I wish
Too good.
more people in the industry did that. Just go
Yeah.
where they are. And anyway,
Man, I'm so
all
happy.
that-
That's so good.
yeah. But you're a
Yeah.
star, man, already. Can see it.
Totally.
Loving it.
Yeah.
So let us know what to get to next and take care of yourselves. If you have the lyrics of this track, please DM them to me on Instagram. I want to go over them. And take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਡੀ ਨਾ ਪੁੱਤਾ ਸੇ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਪੋਰਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਚਾਰੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਤੋਰਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਤੱਕਦੀ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ